In previous videos, we created orthophotos and copied them into one place. In this video, we will try to annotate them. First of all, we have orthophotos, we have datum line. Let's change our screen options to make it a little bit more easy to see element colors and model background. We can change a little bit brighter. Let's do it a little bit gray. Now we can see much more clear. And I have copied some blocks that we will use for elevation for datum line. Let's see, it's a little bit too low. Let's make it more, I would say more up. Let's move them up a little bit. With polyline, we explode and get a line. So Y is currently 0. Let's tell that it would be 15. 15, okay. So we can move by 15 up and right. The datum line is at 15 meters of elevation. So we can copy this text into another elevation. Of course, those lines should be also moved up by 15 meters. And now we can copy those texts, elevation 2, section 1, section 2. Copy also this text, that datum is at that place, that height. For elevation section is okay. For plan views, we have fit marks, we have scale bar. We can copy it by using a reference point in our fit mark. We do need to have a section, the places of sections where sections are cut. So can we switch into P1 UCS and copy those lines and fit mark? Let's press copy and let's go into world coordinates. They are pasted. Now we can copy the same with the use of mark reference to one place. We don't need it. Let's make it more pretty by copying some signs. Then this is section 2. I'm thinking to appropriate layer. This is 2 and 2. For section 1 also, and we can use this, rotate it, and copy each element into appropriate place. Here, also create move 1, and it's match it to exact layer. Okay, the place of sections is defined, and we can copy those lines into another floor plan. The same with the use of fit mark reference here. So floor plan. Okay, let's write their names. That it is ground floor plan, and another one is first floor plan. Okay, for now. Next step is to set annotations of height in elevation. Let's try to do this. In elevation and in section. First, you can draw reference lines to have exact place of annotation. Let's try to make for one elevation, for example. Let's pick places where annotations will be placed in exact place right here, and just pick those annotate signs, annotate blocks. And okay, let's change our snapping settings. We need nearest place, nearest snap. Now it counts by Y from 15 to this is about 3 and 8 meters, so it's 18 and 9. So everything is good. We just need to copy, and block will change itself. We need a mirror. We can mirror it and place upwards. Those lines I don't need it. I can refresh it. This is how it's done. In elevation view, in section view, you can do it without drawing lines, just simply by picking and copying it into the right place. You can mirror it and copy too. up lower side, and it automatically refreshes. It's up to you how to use this annotation. The principle is understandable, so just copy and place into right place here, and that ceiling also, and so on. It's quite easy. Same with plans. We change our layer and go into annotate tool, pick our dimension style which we will use, and let's try to annotate some part of our plan. We can press continue and just pick our places in which we need to annotate, and the annotation will remain here. Same here. For example, do it like that and continue on picking just the lines. Quite easy and understandable. This is how we can annotate those drawings at the right place without any big mistake.